Hello, kindergartners. It is time for math. So today you will need a pen and pencil, paper, or a whiteboard and expo pen, per the usual. Hopefully by now you come to the video with it. This is our second to last video before the school year is over. So for this lesson, we're going to start off with a quick image. Okay, so get ready. How many? And how did you see it? Okay, so maybe you counted a line 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then you went 6, 7, or maybe you saw 3 and you went 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Or maybe that you saw this was 5 and you went 5, 6, 7. There's quite a few ways you could have seen this one. Nice job. The next one we're going to do is we're going to do a story problem. My story problem for you today is there are 12 kids on the playground. 8 of those kids go inside. How many kids are still on the playground? There are 12 kids on the playground. 8 of those kids go inside. How many kids are still on the playground? Please press the pause button and then solve it. Okay, so we have 12 minus 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I made a 10 frame. 10, 11, 12. And now I need to cross out 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Another way you could do it is you could use the counting up method, where you start at 8 and you go 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And that's 4. That way's a little trickier, but it also works. Nice work. And now we're going to start working on place value. Okay, so now we're going to do some place value warm up, and then we're going to do some even more work. So the first thing I want you to do is count to 100 by tens. And we can do it together. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Okay, so now that we've warmed up by counting by tens, I'm going to show you using my 10 sticks and my ones. I'm going to have you count and tell me what the number is on the board. So, what number is this? So remember, these are tens, so you have to count them by 10. 10, 20. And then these aren't tens, these are ones. So you can't go 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. It doesn't work. 10, 20, 21, 22, 23. Now let's do a little harder one. Okay. What number is this? 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56. And what number is this? 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94. And then this last one, I'm going to make it hard. Okay, how many is this? Ten, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. 101, 102, 103, 104, 105, 106, 107, 108, 109, 110. Ooh, That's a big one. Okay. Next up, we're going to practice some more place value. So a couple weeks ago, I talked about place value with numbers, and I showed you something like this. So the number 34, this 30 is the tens, and this 4 is the ones. So this is 34. So that means there's 3 tens and 4 ones. So if we built this number here, we would have 3 tens, 10, 20, 30, and 4 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is 34. 10, 20, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34. But if we thought it was ones, we just did this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That's 7. It's not 34. So where the number is important because that tells you how big it's going to be. So we changed these numbers and made it 78. How many 10 sticks do I need? And how many ones do I need? I'm going to need 7 tens and 8 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8 ones. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 78. And if I mix it up, it's going to change it. Like if I did the 8 as tens, then it's going to be 87 and not 78. So it's important to pay attention to it. So for this next part, I'm going to write a number on the board, and you're going to say how many tens and how many ones. So your first number, 68. How many tens? How many ones? So it's 6 tens, 8 ones. How many tens? How many ones? 9 tens, 1 1. How about now? Hopefully you didn't see this reverse. This is just 1 10 and 9 ones. How many tens? How many ones? Yes, 4 tens and 4 ones. Okay. My next challenge for you is I want you, with whatever you have at hand, to make these numbers. Can you make these numbers with materials? So you can pause here so you can do that. Otherwise, the video is done. Nice work today. Good job.